Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to customize our video player element. Let's get started. Click on your video player element, and on the action bar above, go to the All Design Options button. This small window will appear, and from here, you can adjust your video player's borders, corners, and shadows. So go ahead and tweak these according to your preferences. Once you're done, you can close this window now, and your changes will just automatically be saved. And that's it. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.